Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushbu, and first of all thank you that you all have been loving the videos, so especially the jewelry haul जो मैंने post किया था. इतना बड़ा video है लेकिन आप सबको अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm very happy about that, and this is one of the jewelry जो that I got from that exhibition, so I'm really happy. And I have been very consistent with my videos, so I'm glad you all are liking it. If you are new to my channel, then please hit subscribe, and I'm sure you will find something that you are going to love. Okay, so talking about today's video, my daughter, she had a fancy dress competition, and as all mothers, I wanted to do something different. The theme was that she had to pick a character that she has read about in a book. So we thought of recreating the famous Little Mermaid or Ariel, and for that I thought, okay, let me do a quick DIY. I know basic stitching, and if you know basic stitching and sewing, you can do this. It would need around 3 to 4 hours, and let me quickly take you through the whole process of the video. So first up, what was the concept? The concept, as I said, I wanted to create a Little Mermaid outfit, and for that I had a blue butterfly bikini top that I already have with me. Then I found a sari from my mother-in-law's closet, which had this textured blue and lines going on, sky color sari. So I really like that, and I thought I could use this as a skirt and as a base. Initially I had the thought that I will use that and one more green and one more top that I had, which is mint green, and I would take out those lines and curves and then attach that or something. So I had a vague idea of what I wanted to do. So first step was to gather all the resources. You can do the same. You find any sari that is sky blue, or you find a cloth. If you do not already have a sari, dupatta or a cloth, then just buy a similar print sari. I'm sure you can get it in like under 500. And I went to the shop to get some shells, so I wanted to glue some shells on her. Then I wanted to create the fins, so I got a line of beads of pink and green. So I got a little bit of those material, and then I found those stick-on ones. Those are very easy and they were pretty cheap as well. So once I got all the things, I quickly came back, and me and my mom sat down and made a rough estimate that how it would look like. We were still not sure about the top. For the skirt, first I took the sari and folded it twice, so that one side is already closed, and for the other side we just stitched it straight. So that's like your basic sewing by hand you can do. So my mom did the basic hand stitching, and we closed that end, so there was already a straight skirt for us. And then for the top part, we just again rolled it and made like a drawstring to put it inside, and a fastening towards the side. So that became very easy for us, and the skirt was ready that way. And then we wanted to do frills at the end, so we thought, okay, we'll do that towards the end. For now, let us do some decoration. So once the basic sewing was done, the skirt started looking better. Stick-ons there, so those were in the shape of a pearl, and they are rounded from one end, and the other side is just glue, so you can just stick them on. So I started like placing them randomly, and I also stuck a few shells, but the shells were very heavy, and plus they didn't have holes. Otherwise I would have sewn them, but they didn't have any of those. They were just like shells, like, you know, without holes or anything. So I tried using the strongest glue, but like they took a while to get hung, so I just only placed maybe 3 or 4. And once that was done, we took those pearls line that I told you of pink and blue, and alternatively we did one pink and then one blue, and so we did that 4 times, and it looked really nice. So that was for the skirt part, and the skirt looked really good. Now for the top part, I had one extra top sort of there, which was of golden color. So my mom gave this idea that if I want to make a top, like I just stick the bikini top with that golden kapda. So I folded the golden cloth in two, and then I just cut it around this much. So again, there was no sizing, like this is all an estimate, because as I said, I know stitching, so based on my experience, but you can take measurements and do it accordingly. So I cut it around, and then basically what we just did was we just took that and stitched it along the lines of that bikini top, so that it looks like one whole piece and not two different pieces. But if you don't have that bikini top, what you could do is you could just make like a square neckline and attached it, like make a one string here, one string here, and that's about it. You can do that way as well, but I wanted to do this golden one. So once I stitched that whole part together, we did again the same beads stick on. We again did two lines of pink beads, pearls going around, and blue pearls going around, hanging around the midriff, so it looks amazing, and one or two shells. So that was the top part, and that also looked amazing. Now moving on to the fins part. So the fins was the hardest, and we were thinking what to do, and I had this dark green net dupatta, so I took that, but I overestimated the length, and since the skirt was already long, I should have kept the frills like very short, like maybe this much. I should have folded them, but we made like this big frills toward the end. Basically what I did was I took the dupatta, folded it again twice, and then I just started taking pleats in the front. So the dupatta had the golden hem, so I kept that as the opening in the front, and I just pleated them towards, like from the front going all the way towards the skirt as a circumference, and that really hold the whole look together, so she could walk and it still looks like a fin. And that's how I recreated this whole outfit, and she really loved it. And the full cost of the outfit, since I just bought the accessories, was maybe 250. Yeah, that's the max that I spent on it. And again, not counting the things that were already at my home, like my top or the sari. But if you still put some money, say 500, still it will cost you under 1,000, and you can create an amazing customized outfit for your children. And I hope you like the process, and if you have any questions, I would love to answer and help you all, and write them down in the comments below. I hope you like this video, and I would love if you can be a part of my channel. Subscribe, it's just free, guys, and you can like the video, share it with your friends who all love to do some DIYs. And if you try it, then please send me the pictures. I would love to see that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.